Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacquelyn Lopez, and today I have a video on me decorating my Christmas tree. I'm also going to walk you through some of the things that I do as I decorate my tree. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and follow me over on my Instagram so that you can see more Christmas home decor pictures. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy the video.
Stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate.
Once you have your tree set up and added all the lights, now this is a faux tree. It is pre-lit, but I did feel the need to add a little bit more lights to it. And then after that, it is first things first. And you are going to want to add greenery if your tree needs it. My tree is new this year, so it still doesn't need any additional greenery. But this is where you would add either those picks or those big fluffy garlands. After that, you add any other garlands that you have or ribbon, anything that is going to go across the entire tree. That's what you would add first. I did add this a very thin garland. It is basically like a jute rope with some beads because my theme is rustic glam. I honestly wouldn't have added that if I knew it wouldn't have made any bit of a difference, but it's already on there and I'm not going to take it off once I have all of my decorations on it. After your garland would be your ribbon, and that's the ribbon that is just kind of scattered in places. If it's going to again go across a tree, that would be one of the first things you add. Instead of ribbon this year, I am using these banners from Hobby Lobby. Unfortunately, I could only find one that says Merry Christmas. The rest of them say Joy to the World, and this is going to take place of ribbon. I am going to add just a little bit of burlap ribbon, but that's just kind of to add where I didn't add banners, but I didn't want to fill up my tree with a bunch of banners. And there are different techniques and different ways on how to add ribbon to a tree. I'm just doing your basic about 3-foot sections that is just like 2 loops coming in and out of the tree. Let me know if you would like a separate video on just different ways of adding ribbon to your tree.
Loving so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh.
Okay, so this is obviously a different day. I had to leave the day prior for my son's soccer game, so I wanted to continue when there was daylight. I am next adding a feather boa, and that's just to bring some texture to the tree. Right now I'm putting it more in towards the tree. Once everything is decorated, I am going to pull it out a little bit. Now this is it for ribbons and garlands. Next we move on to ornaments, and always do the biggest ornaments first. I thought it was going to be the large round ornaments, but it did end up being these poinsettias, so that is the first thing that I'm going to add.
I'm falling just like the snowflakes, falling for you, falling for you. Hadn't counted on love for Christmas. This caught me right off guard, but I ain't complaining. It's a wonderful present, a gift that you ask, a place forever in your arms, and for this moment to last, because I'm falling just like this.
So now come the large ornaments, the poinsettias and the red spheres. Those are my extra large ornaments. And now I'm going to move to all of the large ones, which are these galvanized silver looking ones and some clear ones that I got from the 99-cent only store. And from then on, I'm going to move on to some other large ornaments, but that aren't the spheres. These, I kind of want them to be in the background, and that's why I put these first. That way when I put the other size ornaments, the other type of ornaments that are still large, they will stand out.
I'm falling for you.
Another very important tip that I want to share with you is to add your own ornament hooks and to have them be the smaller sized ones. If you do this, it'll make it look like the ornaments are placed inside and just slightly hanging off of the branch, rather than having the ornaments hang off of the ornament hook that you added, off of the little string that comes on the ornament, off of the little base that is already on the ornament. It'll make a very drapey looking tree, especially if you have a real tree. The branches will start to dry facing downward and it'll bring everything down. If you add your own smaller hooks, it'll look like the ornament is placed into the tree on the branch itself. It'll make for a more structured looking tree rather than just kind of like a jumble things hanging off of everywhere. I really hope that makes sense. I hope I did a good job explaining that.
But I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you.
Okay, so now come the decorative picks. These are the smaller picks that are kind of there to take the place of ornaments as well. These are not filler picks. You do these at the end because these they're kind of like ornaments. They are there to look good. So I am adding these antlers, and these antlers are actually from my fall decor. And I did use them. I bought them at Walmart. They were $2.48 for 2 of them. And I can't wait till next year till they bring more so that I can buy more, because unfortunately I only had 6 of them. And then I'm also adding these berries, and these berries are from Hobby Lobby. They cost me 79 cents per pick, and they are really good quality, and they kind of look like they're sugared berries. So again, these are obviously way better than the Dollar Tree berries. They always run out, and I'm sorry, but they're not as good of quality. They do have some that look like that in the terms that they are darker, and they still only cost 79 cents when they are 50% off. So with what I bought 5, I would have been able to have only bought 4 at the Dollar Tree. And again, those things are always falling off. They'll last you probably about a couple of years because they are styrofoam, so in storage they can get squished and then they'll start falling off. And these will last you a very, very long time because again, they are very, very good quality. So prove again that the Dollar Tree is not always cheaper. And nothing against Dollar Tree. I love Dollar Tree. I'm a Dollar Tree gal myself. I just don't prefer every single item from the Dollar Tree, and if you use the Dollar Tree berries, that's perfectly fine as well. I'm sure you made them look just as gorgeous. Now here at the very end, I am just adding the small ornaments, and these are actually standard size clear ornaments. These are the ones that you do DIYs with, and I'm just adding them all over the place, no rhyme or reason, because they have no color to them. They're just there to fill up the tree, and they sparkle and glimmer with the lights on at night, and I'll show you when I give you the reveal of the full tree. Now, I did forget these glass ornaments from Target. I am adding them right now, but they did feel like an afterthought, so I did end up taking them off, just not when I filmed this video. So you'll see that actually in my Christmas home tour.
I love the winter weather, 'cause Christmas time is pulling us closer to each other. Winter weather, now we can get together. Oh, Christmas time is pulling me closer to your heart.
Here is a final look of my tree. You'll notice that I just have a very simple star tree topper. I am going to do a dedicated video for that. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Again, don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already. And my biggest tip for decorating your Christmas tree is to just do it with love. That usually produces the best looking Christmas tree, because a tree is supposed to be beautiful to you, not to the outside world. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Thank you so much. I hope you have a very good rest of your day.
Come on, I need to hear you now.